Hello and welcome to this online masterclass. My name is Dominik Wagner and today I'm going to be talking about Bottesini's Grand Duo for double bass and clarinet together with Wagner on the clarinet. So in all my masterclasses, I always talk about direction, that every note needs to either go somewhere or go away from somewhere. Why is that so important for me? Well, probably the main reason is that I have been playing maybe around 50 to 100 concerts during the last few years with this clarinetist, Wagner, right here. And for her, and also in general for woodwind players, phrasing, going somewhere, showing direction is one of the most, if not the most important thing for the musical interpretation. So playing with her, I learned that playing like this, many string players think, I want to just have a nice sound, sometimes a nice vibrato and play kind of in tune and that's enough. But playing with her, I learned, no, it's not enough. That's not what music has to offer. Music can do way more. So here, maybe you already noticed, every note is going somewhere. It starts with the first double bass entrance, where I don't play immediately loud and with vibrato. I want to show how the note develops. So I start with non-vibrato, and then I start developing the vibrato together with a crescendo. Here I choose to do one more bow change to make sure I can, on the highest, most dramatic note in this phrase, show some vibrato, because it's just a fact, and if you go into the down bow for a vibrato, it's way easier to make a nice sounding vibrato. In the up bow, it is possible too, but it just makes things more difficult, and with the down bow, a vibrato sounds more open, more resonant. So I do this one bow change. But be aware that this also makes it a bit dangerous, because then some people go and fall completely outside of the rhythm. Like I always say, with rhythm, if you have a cadenza, you can become faster or you can become slower, but you cannot all of a sudden, except if there's a fermata, make a note longer or shorter or faster or slower. So we go until here, the whole phrase builds up until, and then relax to start soft again with the clarinet and develop the new phrase. So here we clearly build up until this note. And we, as always, we never talked about this, but a build-up like that always is not just crescendo. It's in the articulation, and it's also especially in the timing. It's not written ritardando, accelerando. It's just something we automatically do if we do a phrasing. So maybe we can do it again. So here we've got in the bass these long notes and then some short and then again long. What happens during the long note? Like I also said in the masterclass with the violin, with the Bottesini duo with the violin, we listen to our duo partner and we see what they are doing. So if the clarinet is building up, it's making a crescendo, do it with her. If she's going back, doing the diminuendo, we do it with her. It's the same with the chi. If we go towards here, she will not start her scale soft. If we phrase towards it, she will also start strong. Or if you go, she will not come in with a forte like that. She will also come in soft, hopefully not. So always be sure you communicate. She communicates with you, but also you listen to her. Okay, so now let's just to showcase how the reaction should work. We do a different version. We don't say what, we haven't both decided what to do, but we're going to do something different now. So you see, not only the direction, the diminuendos, the crescendos were different, but also, because of that, the whole timing. Because obviously, if you go somewhere, make a crescendo, it's nice to also move forward. Or if you go back, take some time to show that. So, yeah, this was not talked through, we just spontaneously phrased differently together. I don't want to tell you exactly how you have to phrase in this part. That's something you have to come up with together with your duo partner. And you can also do it different in every concert. We always have like a certain, like some places we say, okay, we will do like this, but then we still keep the freedom to, if we feel like it, do it differently in a concert. So now after this we continue with another build-up, depending on how you come out. If you come out in piano, or if you come out, I most of the time come out in piano. And for the build-up, again, I use articulation, timing, and crescendo. So I start with more articulation, and make them shorter, and make them go longer and longer and faster, depending on the phrasing. And with that note, make sure it sounds as big and as open and as resonant as possible. So no pressing, just close to the bridge, a lot of contact but no pressing. The same goes for this. A lot of bow, good contact, no pressing. Make sure it sounds very open, very resonant. And here again we got different possibilities for phrasing. In this case we phrase together, went back here and then build up again. Now we're going to do something different, just to show there's another way.